To demonstrate eligibility for the New South Wales Government's COVID support packages, you need to demonstrate that your business had a decline in turnover of 30% or more from the 26th of June, which is the beginning of the date of lockdown. Any 2-week period in there, you need to compare to the same period in June or in 2019. Now, if you are using Xero have just made this easier. They've created a new report which helps you do this. So inside your Xero accounting, go to Accounting, Reports. Under the tax reports, there's a new report called COVID-19 Business Support. For New South Wales businesses, choose the New South Wales COVID-19 Business Support. You'll come up with the date ranges for you, and you can choose a new date range within that period. So you might have starting on the 3rd of July, finishing on the 16th, and it will come up with a report telling you what your change in turnover is. And you can use that information to send to your accountant to enable them to complete the accountant's letter that you require as part of your application. Now, if you're not on Xero yet and you haven't got your records up to date, but you'd like to move on to Xero, reach out to us at our website on www.pretiumsolutions.com.au.